Arthrazex Balm review: is it really effective or not? Over the last few years, there has been an alarming rise in joint-related diseases, and they have climbed the ladder of national prevalence. This means that right now, there are millions of people who are suffering from some form of arthritis and are looking for a solution that can get them some sense of relief. The innovative healing gel balm, Arthrosex, is an unparalleled and one of the most effective long-term solutions which could potentially substitute other ineffective treatments and risky surgeries. It works by restoring and nursing the cartilage back to health and arresting inflammation. It is also known to remove the calcium buildup from the joints to relieve pain and swelling, thereby treating a variety of other disorders related to joints. But why do the joints hurt? There are an estimated 360 bone joints in the human body that facilitate movement in this incredibly efficient machine. However, various reasons can cause stiffness and pain in the joints. Some of the reasons can be 1. Age-related issue. 1. Lack of exercise and movement. 1. Excess strain on the joints. 1. Hereditary or genetic predisposition. 1. Old injuries. The first signs of joint-related illnesses. It does not matter if you are still young and follow a fit lifestyle where you exercise regularly. Joint-related issues can affect anyone, and therefore it is important to keep an eye out for the first signs and symptoms of joint diseases, such as the following. 1. Constant or recurring joint pain. 1. Constrained or limited movement. 1. Inflammation or swelling around the joints. Initially, these symptoms can be mild. They might not interfere with your day-to-day life during this period, but over time, they could become more pronounced and bothersome, affecting the quality of your life. Arthrosex Balm can restore the health of the joints. Arthrosex has a variety of benefits. It is made using safe and effective ingredients backed by long years of thorough scientific research. Regular usage of Arthrosex is known to directly target the root cause of the illness and ease all the unpleasant symptoms. Right from the first course itself, you will witness 1. Reduction in inflammation and swelling around the joints. 1. Relief from pain. 1. Regeneration of the cartilage tissue. 1. Removal of salt, calcium and toxin buildup in the joints. 1. Relief from age-related joint issues. 1. Relief from the hypertonicity of the muscles. 1. Improvement in metabolic activities. With Arthrosex, you don't have to wait for a long time before you can see the positive results. Not only is Arthrosex effective, but it is also quick. This has been confirmed by real reviews from about 97% of the Arthrosex users. After using Arthrosex, most of them quite literally forgot that they were ever suffering from any joint issues at all. What is Arthrosex? Arthrosex is new age yet natural balm gel created by specialist rehabilitologists. It is known to eliminate issues such as pain, swelling and even complicated joint diseases. It performs a wide range of actions for a quick relief from the discomfort that comes with joint diseases and naturally restores the health and functionality of the musculoskeletal system. It regenerates damaged cartilage and periarticular tissues while also restoring the synovial fluid in the joints. It is also a long-term decongestant, anti-inflammatory analgesic, and a generally caring and strengthening solution for common joint problems. During the clinical tests, Arthrosex has demonstrated an incredible efficiency in treating arthritis, arthrosis, bursitis, osteochondrosis, muscle and ligament ruptures from injuries, sprains, and other general issues of the musculoskeletal system. It was tested various subjects between the ages of 18 to 80 years, suffering from one or the other form of musculoskeletal disorders. Upon completion of the course, 88% of the test subjects reported long-term relief with no side effects. Who can use Arthrosex Balm? Arthrosex is completely safe for use by both old and young patients suffering from any kind of joint-related issues. With no contraindications, Arthrosex is suitable for anyone facing any issues relating to their backs or joints. Arthrosex is not recommended for use by people under the age of 18 and pregnant or lactating women. It is also recommended to get yourself tested for allergies to any of its components. Arthrosex action. Today it is extremely difficult to find a medication that is legit and effective, and there is a general distrust on the products purchased online. But if you are someone who suffers from osteochondrosis or arthrosis, Arthrosex is exactly what you need. Just one application of Arthrosex will put all your doubts to rest. Constant use of Arthrosex will inhibit the progression of joint diseases and will effectively relieve you of any pain. The Arthrosex advantage. If recurring pain in the joints and the back is left untreated, it can lead to more serious issues in the long term. Arthrosex can help in treating pre-existing conditions and also in preventing any possible musculoskeletal ailments in the future. Arthrosex has the following benefits over its counterpart treatments. 1. Eco-friendly formula. Made using natural and organic ingredients only, Arthrosex does not harm the body in any way. 2. Application variability. As an ointment, Arthrosex can have both therapeutic as well as prophylactic effect on the joint ailments. 3. Proven efficacy. The effectiveness of Arthrosex has been scientifically proven by way of rigorous clinical tests. 4. Multi-action formula. Its unique formula has painkillers and decongestants. It also effectively acts as a restorative, anti-inflammatory, firming and detoxifying agent. 5. Cost-effective. Arthrosex can be purchased from its official website at very attractive prices and heavy discounts. Arthrazex Balm composition. Made using only natural and effective ingredients, Arthrosex is free from any hormones or other harmful stuff that can cause an addiction. Upon application, it quickly penetrates the skin and stimulates the regeneration of damaged tissues. With regular usage, it provides relief from joint pains without physiotherapy or surgical intervention. The quality of the ingredients is verified and certified by various certifying agencies. The actives present in the ointment target and eliminate pain. This is why many doctors also prescribe Arthrosex. Application of Arthrazex Balm. For best results, it is recommended to read and understand the usage instructions carefully. 1. Always apply the ointment on clean and dry skin. 1. Apply in the affected area and massage gently. 1. Use it 2 times daily. 1. To reap all the benefits, try to include light physical exercise of the muscles and joints. The course of treatment is 30 days long and the application is topical. Why choose Arthrosex? Arthrosex is one of the best and most effective treatments for joint-related diseases, and the many glowing reviews from its users are a testimony to the fact. Choose Arthrosex if you are not only looking for a remedy but also for a preventive measure for your aching joints and back.